This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350. It has a 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, a clean non-smoker interior. Features include a power sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, stability control, a steering wheel with memory settings, and this vehicle has fewer than 23,000 miles on the odometer. This certified Mercedes-Benz isn't your typical used car. It comes with a 1-year factory-backed limited warranty with no deductible, a 7-day, 500-mile exchange privilege, and virtually every system was rigorously inspected by factory-certified technicians. Consider it with confidence. This Mercedes-Benz has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.